viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, today we are going to a very creative world of handmade art and cozy Christmas inspiration. And we're going to make a beautiful handcrafted Christmas tree made with love, creativity, and mindfulness. Whether you are decorating your home, gifting a loved one, or simply enjoy the joy of crafting, this handmade Christmas tree will bring warm bliss and festive charm to your space. So grab your materials, take a deep breath, and let's begin our beautiful Christmas tree crafting journey together. Because before we start, here what you will need: a cardboard cone or thick paper rolled into a cone shape, green jute rope, felt or colored paper for wrapping, hot glue gun or crafting glue, decorative items like beads, buttons, stars, ribbons, and fairy lights, scissor thread, and use your creative imaginations. Remember, you can use recycled material too. Crafting from waste not only save money but also support an eco-friendly lifestyle. Now let's start building the base of our Christmas tree. Take your cone and start wrapping it carefully with jute rope or green felt. Go layer by layer, slowly, calmly, and enjoy the process. Crafting is not just about the result, it's about mindfulness, the joy of being present in the moment. Each turn of the rope, each dab of glue, each little decoration is your way to expressing creativity and inner peace. I'm sure you must like the video, so please stay tuned with us till the end. Once your base is ready, it's time for the fun part: decorating. Add teeny ornaments, golden beads, and ribbon, small pine cones, or even handmade paper stars. You can also use mini LED lights to make your tree glow with festive warmth. You can use traditional color like white and red. Choose colors that match your home decoration, like rustic tone for cozy look or bright red and golden for classic Christmas vibe. As you decorate, think about the meaning of Christmas: togetherness, graduate, and hope. This tree will remind you every day that beauty lies in small handmade touches. Now, while we continue decorating, let's talk about the benefit of crafting, especially during the holiday season. Crafting is a nature stress buster. It calms your mind and gives you a peaceful focus. When you create something by hand, you connect deeply with the present moment. It's a form of meditation. Instead of buying expensive decoration from market, you can make stunning piece yourself, unique, personalized, and meaningful. When somebody, your guests, your friends, come to your home and say that it's worth, so you will proud. Involve your kids or loved ones. Crafting together build memories that last forever. By using recycled materials, you help reduce waste and there's gift to our planet. Now let's add the finishing touches to our tree. Place a shining star on top, symbolizing light, flash, and new beginnings. Add a little snow effect with cotton or white glitter for that winter magic. Once complete, place your handcraft Christmas tree on your table, shelf, or as centerpiece in your living room. You will amazed at how something made with your hands can fill your space with joy and beauty.
नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से मोहब्बत का तकाज़ा ये है कि हमें
I hope you like the video.